Let's look what I got. I want you to do that because I want to do that. I want you to do that. I want you to walk to the dealership to buy a new car. Just one new car. You can just buy one new car. What is not expensive.
Okay, I think I can do that. You know what? I like buying new cars.
Just one.
Okay.
If you come back another day, you buy another one.
Okay. Next day we can buy another one. Today we're just gonna buy one, right? And next time we're gonna buy another one. So which one's for sale?
Oh, this one is... I don't know how much this one is, but it's expensive. I don't know how much dollars, how expensive this is.
It's got this plow in the front.
Because it's a snow
Is it
plow
for
truck.
snow?
Yes.
Wow, yeah, the winter's coming, so maybe I should consider buying this one.
But it's expensive.
Okay, I got money.
But it's more than yours. It's so much. $199. Because the snow plow makes it 100.
That's cool. I see this one's cool. Truck.
Like that?
The blue one. What is that?
What? This blue one?
Yeah.
This is a Mercedes.
Is it Mercedes?
And it's long.
Yeah, it's got a horse on the side. What's that?
Because it's a horsey truck.
It's a horsey truck. We're moving horses?
Yes.
That's so nice. Uh-oh, what happened to the roof?
Nothing.
Okay.
But you see this door?
Yep.
That means you can live back here in this.
Oh, you can live inside also?
Because you can camp and you can ride horses even.
That's so cool. Such a cool truck.
But it's more expensive than the snowplow truck.
Okay. Let me see this one here. What is that truck? Is it flat deck?
Yes. It's a little bit expensive.
Okay.
It's $1. It's $1.20.
Okay, do you think I should buy it?
No, because
You're not recommending this one for me?
because it's a little bit old.
It's old?
Yes, because when you park it all the time, the flatbed it will go down, and it'll stop if you stop the flatbed. And I did that, and it always still does it, and it's still doing it today right now.
Okay. Thank you for being honest. This is very important these days. To be honest person. You
I
know,
need
so-
to fix it. That's why
Well, I'll
you
let
can't
you
buy
fix
it.
it. Yeah, maybe somebody else gonna buy it. How about the pickup trucks? I like pickup trucks. Do you have any?
Yes.
Which one do you recommend?
One it's a little more expensive than the snowplow truck because it will have a hookup. And it's a two-door. That's why it'll be a little more expensive than the flatbed truck.
Okay.
And expensive
Which
than
one
the
is it?
snowplow truck. The hookup truck.
Hookup truck. Is it a brown one here?
Yes.
What year is that? Is it like 1985?
No.
How old is that truck?
8098.
Okay. Cool. So I like the color actually. Brown, it's very unique.
And actually, you see the side because I'm driving it out to see the sidewalk. Look at that
Oh,
color.
it's got different paint on the side. like a
Because it's a
custom.
silvery brown right there.
That's so awesome.
Look at the back.
Okay,
Look at the inside.
I will buy this truck. How much is that?
It's more expensive than the
Okay, tell me the
flatbed
number.
truck and
Hit me.
more $199 $100.
$199, 100. Okay, deal. I'm buying it. Give me 5, Mr. Dealer. Thank you.
And you have to drive it all the way back to your house.
I will. I'm gonna be driving this pickup truck every day now.
And you can drive your other pickup truck. You have 2 pickup trucks. Then you have 2 pickup trucks.
Maybe I need only 1 now. Maybe I'm just gonna sell the other one.
No, you can't.
Why?
Because if you drive your car here, then it'll be sold. If you not drive that car there, it'll not be. If you don't drive that your blue car here, then you need to keep it.
Okay. Maybe I keep both of them because you know what?
Okay.
$199 is not that expensive, so I can keep both.
But it's old like 90. That's how old it is. Because
That's okay, but
I
it
didn't
seems like
need-
it's in a good shape.
But I didn't use it. That's why it's that old. Because I didn't use it to do test drive. The other ones I did a test drive in. That's why.
Okay, you know what? Tell us something about the blanket you have. Like I see 4 faces of the puppies. Who those guys are?
What?
Those 4 faces. You sitting right now on somebody's face? Who is that?
Marshall.
Is it Marshall? Yeah, look at the Marshall. Hi, Marshall. What's this guy name here?
Wobble.
Rubble. Yeah, and this one here, like we don't see his eyes right now. Who's that?
Rocky.
Rocky. And the last one?
It's Chase.
It's Chase, but it's the most important puppy, is he?
Yes.
Yeah, he's got his hat. Who's he actually? Is he like a policeman?
Yes.
Yeah, in the
The
team?
police dog.
Okay, is
Rocky
he?
is a recycled dog.
Okay,
Marshall
recycled.
is a fire truck driver.
Fire truck driver. And the last one, Rubble?
He's a digger. He has a digger
He has a digger.
with a scoop in the back and a scoop in the front.
That's so cool.
That means he has a backhoe.
Backhoe. Yeah, yeah. Cool. Do you like your blanket?
Yes.
Is it comfortable? Can you like to lay it down? Lay down on it?
Yes.
Is it cozy? Oh yeah.
Even though I can move on this one like this. I'll put my legs here.
Yeah, you can go from one corner to another. Oh yeah.
Look what I'm doing.
Yeah, cool. Snow angel. Or blanket angel. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, next time we're gonna bring our Paw Patrol toys and we're gonna show to the kids how you play with them, right? We got few. But we're gonna do it next time. Today, that's all. See you guys later.
Bye bye.